and happy case, happy like this song.
Different colors, one people, and I realized that this would be the best switch I would have in my career journey.
Did you know that clapping activates 340 acupuncture points on your palm, which is good for your well-being and your health? I actually specifically looked this up because we have a team of specialists here today. Please meet our guests. They are researchers from the Korea Institute of Oriental Medicine. Yay!
Excuse me, Katie.
Yeah.
It's difficult to say like that, but we are not working on the acupuncture. We are working on Korean herbal medicine, material science.
Oh.
Well, that's okay. What is
Okay, never
Korean
mind
medicine?
that then. Then let's jump right into it. Could you maybe introduce yourselves?
Hi, my name is Youngmin Kang. In KIOM, I'm the principal scientist, and UST same time I'm professor. I'm advisor of two students.
My name is Youngjun Ban in the Korean Institute of Oriental Medicine.
Hello everyone, my name is Ari. I'm coming from Indonesia in University of Science and Technology and also belong to researcher in Korean Institute of Oriental Medicine. Now is my third year of my PhD study.
My name is Happy Kenneth. I am a PhD student researcher under Korea Institute of Oriental Medicine, affiliated with the University of Science and Technology.
Okay, so nice to meet you guys. I've been in Korea for 11 years now, and now I know just enough about Korean medicine to understand that I basically don't know anything. You are from Indonesia. You came all the way from Africa. What made you interested in Korean medicine?
From my passion from childhood, I have had a passion for herbal medicine. And when I studied at master's level, I studied a subject called agroecology, majoring in traditional food systems. So because of that knowledge, it helped me to join the UN agency called Food and Agriculture Organization of United Nations. And through that, that's when I learned about Korean herbal medicine. So I related with my knowledge of traditional food systems, healthy food systems, with traditional herbal medicine. And I realized that this would be the best switch I would have in my career journey. So through that, that's how I got interested and I came to Korea.
Okay, that's awesome. How about you, Ari?
Most likely the traditional medicine in Indonesia is coming from plant. It's quietly same in here. So I started looking up, and one of the interesting thing is when UST have a program, UST scholarship. And when I look up, there is one unique institute, Korean Institute of Oriental Medicine. When I look up in this KIOM, it's very unique because they use not only preserve the knowledge of traditional medicine, but also apply. They also apply Korean medicine in this country, not only just knowledge.
Wow, that's fascinating. Now it's time for Honest Answer Corner. I will ask you a question, and then you know that in Korea, everything has to be bali, fast, right? You already know that? So I will ask a question, and I'll go 1, 2, 3, and then you have to hold up your sign, and then let's start. I had a tough time figuring out my career path. Getting to where I am now was quite a journey. 1, 2, 3. Okay, yes. All yeses. Who would like to start? And
Can start.
all right, please do.
When I finished my master's in agroecology in healthy food systems, I got a job in the UN, that is Food and Agriculture Organization of United Nations. I worked for some time. During my time at work, that's when I got the opportunity. I looked at the opportunity of studying Korean herbal medicine, leaving my good job in the UN and going for further studies and research.
I can only imagine.
Getting better. but I consulted my mentors in Uganda, my home country, and they advised me that since my childhood passion was for herbal medicine, and I have been doing something in traditional food systems, it's high time for me to go and pursue the PhD research knowledge on herbal medicine so that I can increase my knowledge that will help me after finishing the opportunity. I can go back to work with the UN. So it was a tough time for me to decide, leaving the UN, go and become a full-time student.
It's not easy to go back to studying after having a really good job and earning money. Okay, let's go over to our Korean side.
So especially my undergraduate student, my major is forestry resources.
Oh, okay. Totally different.
In the mountain, they have a tree and shrimp and small plant. So for my specific is focused on herbal medicine, like a small plant in the mountain. And also concentration on is plant breeding, medicinal plant physiology and plant biology. And then master degree, I work on biotechnology more. And then in Korea, sometimes it's very limited. It's local. So I try to study abroad, and then I try to apply for the PhD program in USA, and then I got a scholarship, luckily. But it's that is my kind of a limitation is out. I want to go abroad, and every day I try to see the international teacher, say hello, and then English and practice. And then I got a TOEFL and GRE score, and then got a PhD degree in Mississippi State, and then some of postdoc in USDA and also Korea also. But in my mind, I have a plan, I have a dream. Even many things is coming here, but I try to do my best.
Yeah, you had a dream, you worked for it, you made it, and now you're giving back.
Yeah.
That's awesome. All right, next question. Do you ever notice cultural differences when working with team members from different cultural backgrounds? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yes, 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 and no.
Okay, I would like to start because I'm
please.
only one to know. So might be actually many different culture, but I think vary a little bit point. So I have 2 chance to business trip to abroad following Professor Kang. So one is Uganda, one is Indonesia. So in that time, I feel they have their own culture different with the Korean. But when I visited there, I can accept all of this, so I cannot confuse. Maybe they also agree with me.
Would you agree with that?
Because I said yes, especially in research, for cultural difference sometimes it's also affecting. Not too much, but we can adapt with that. One point of that, I'm very lovely in this lab is we are working together. So when we are working together, of course, every person have their own pace. Every person have their own style. These 2 person is totally different. Of course, you should adjust your adaptation, your style, etc. So when I first come here, it's very difficult to adjust.
Yeah, it's already sometimes hard to work with people from your own country. And then adding all those cultural differences might make it even more difficult. All right, and we have one more answer.
Yeah, I did yes, but now I'm becoming because I came here a couple years ago, and then my team, our team is getting bigger, and they have come from different country. Their color is different, thinking different, attitude and everything different. But at that time, I was difficult to control and manage. That's why it was difficult, yes. But now I try to understand their history. And then happy case, happy like this song, the different color, one people. different color. One people. Always he sing a song in the lab.
Can you sing it for us?
Oh yeah, that is a song from one of the African legend called Lucky Dube. They say, different colors, one people, different colors, one people. Just the songs like that.
And then I realized this is a real solution. That's why I have not much difficult. That's why I know. It's same thing. Our lab is now we call Smart Herbalomics Lab. And many students from different countries, even Korean people, my thinking is different. But you try to understand and respect, and now we are one team. That means there's not much difference and difficult. That's X. That's the story why I was this and now it's this.
Wow, now it makes sense. Yay! All right, next question. Does cultural diversity contribute positively to research and teamwork? Yes or no? 1, 2, 3. Yes, 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 and yes. Okay, all yeses. Why do you think so?
Actually, because like a point of view from a different diverse knowledge. Like in our lab, we not everyone here coming from Korean medicine background. So with different background, those knowledge can be additional point of view for us to improve our research. So that's why if we just use the same chemical background, the result will be same. But if it's diverse, the result will be more bigger and more potentially can be give additional value for community.
With your expertise, what would you say?
Of course, yes, because herbal medicine, there's Korean medicine, and part of CAM is a complementary alternative medicine in the traditional medicine. And even I am plant physiology, plant biology major, and Ari is a pharmacy, and Happy is agroforestry, and he's metabolic farming. So little different major, but it's we try to make multiple structure. Now we call the Smart Herbalomics. That Smart Herbalomics is approaching the many area, but that area is focused on the Korean medicine, especially Korean medicine, especially some area. So even we have a different background, different major, there is a step by step we are combine one objective. So we are very happy, and also Happy is here.
So it's a good mix. Yeah. That's awesome. All right, this was the last question of the first part, but in the second part, we have prepared even more fun and exciting questions for you guys. Yay!